Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about AirPod 3. Third generation AirPods borrow the AirPods Pro style, with longer sleeves and a more well-designed design that fits utmost cognizance well. Apple claims that the AirPods were designed to sit at the right angle for comfort. The Apple H1 chip is used to give an adaptive EQ point that provides computational audio in order to give better sound. With adaptive EQ, a microphone monitors sound and warbles low and medium frequency to give each user with the voguish audio for their observant size and shape. It has a custom motorist, a high dynamic range amplifier, and an important bass with clean high frequency, and the microphones are defended with an audio mesh to reduce wind noise. AACELD, a speech codec that provides full HD voice quality for FaceTime calls, is supported by AirPods. Between calls and Siri commands, beamforming microphones filter out ambient noise and concentrate on the user voice. A force sensor is erected into the shaft of the AirPods for physical control over media playback and Siri activation. AirPods with an IPX4 standing are resistant to sweat and water, and AirPods charging cases are also water resistant. AirPods, like Apple's more precious AirPods Pro and AirPods Max headphones, support spatial audio with dynamic head tracking thanks to adaptive EQ. AirPods have a new skin discovery sensor that detects whether the observance is in the observance or in the fund, breaking playback when they are removed. AirPods have the same magic setup and features as the Apple Watch, including one-touch pairing, quick device switching, and audio sharing. The battery life of the third-generation AirPods has been significantly bettered, with a single charge furnishing 6 hours of hearkening time or 4 hours of talk time. A fast charge point gives you an hour of battery life and 5 beats of charging time. The AirPods case has also been redesigned, making it wider and shorter than a head. This includes MagSafe support for machine deployment, as well as MagSafe accessories, and the case provides 4 fresh AirPods chargers for a total listening time of over 30 hours. The AirPods bring $179 and come with 2 earbuds and a glamorous charging case. Apple AirPods, including the alternate generation AirPods and the $249 AirPods Pro, are priced at $129. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you in the next video. Please remember to subscribe and share.